bit of a runner refurbishment going on here. Got some cavitation on the back side of the blades. Aluminum blades, so yeah, quite a bit of pitting. So we got them all coated up with some Kevlar filled epoxy. Our new SKF bushings into the runner. Got an initial coat of epoxy. Was real bad pitting where the thrust washers go. So we're gonna wind up letting this dry for a couple days and then come back after it with the sander. Get it all cleaned up nice, flattened out, get rid of some of that pit. Probably we'll have to do another coat after we do an initial sand because they were pretty in rough shape here. So, Salmon Falls Run Repair, going after it. Got the little hobo sandblasting booth set up yesterday. It's always nice to grip blast everything before you get painting. Makes it so much easier. There we go. Runner refurbishment.